As how to use this simple AI application here to create crazy caption for your videos. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. And here, down here, you may see caption templates. If I tap on more, you can pretty much see all the templates that you can use with this application. Some of them you might need subscription. So you can see here. So to create a caption for your videos or any video that you have, all you got to do is pretty much tap on the AI caption here. We'll ask for allow access to storage. Just allow, and once you have done that, we'll pretty much guide you to your gallery. You can select whichever video you want to edit with the caption, and it will automatically do that for you. And you're pretty much good to go. Here you also have the translation option, which pretty much can translate any video to any language that you want as well. You have the scripts option here, you have the TikTok link. You tap on this here, pretty much can paste the TikTok video and upload it here, and it will pretty much edit it as well. So you have the YouTube link here as well. Down here you have the AI effect. So let's say you want to make similar videos like this that I see on TikTok. So you can see here, not much, but you can see these are all the videos that they have here. So let's say you want to make something like this cat and the black cat here. And all you gotta do is just tap on make yours. Here be given a script that's already there. You can change the characters, can change the language, its duration, and aspect ratio. And once I've done setting up the steps, just tap on next step, and you pretty much get in your script what you want them to do and so forth. So I'm not going to go into that right now, but that's pretty much all you created. Down here you add the AI story. You can pretty much create anything of these as well if you want something similar to these. So if you want more of these, you can just tap on more option. Here you will see a lot of preset AI videos which you can also copy and create for yourself. So you have the featured one here, you have the cute animals one, you can scroll across. You see all the ones that they have available. As you can see that they're religious, inspirational, and so forth. So here you can tap on create your own AI video. The top on that option, here you can create your own AI video by entering just a prompt. So, or you can create your AI video just from script. So as you can see here, it will give you visual motions like this, or you can get this animated visuals. So whichever one you choose all depends on you. So if I tap on more here, you can also get different styles and so forth. So it all depends on you. So before you have the auto voice option, but you can change the voice. It's either one of these that you want. So anyone you choose, all depends on you as well. So the advanced settings, you pretty much will need a subscription for that. So that's all to pretty much create your own AI video instead of these random AI sketches. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I tap on upgrade at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription for this application. Do keep in mind, you're gonna need credits for you to generate videos, and you're gonna need a subscription to get some of these features on this application. As you can see here the prices, you have a monthly subscription for $6, and you have a year subscription, let's say $50. So that's pretty much it for that, and pretty much shows you what to be getting. So at the top here is pretty much the restriction of everything down here. So the projects option is pretty much everything that we show here that you have generated in the application or the drafts option here. And also you have going to see the exported option as well. So the profile over here, you can pretty much see basic stuff, nothing much, but you can go over here to pretty much go to the subscription page as well. Just tap on upgrade, you will see the subscription page. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have missed anything at all, please comment below. Glad to help you out, and see you guys in the next one.